Good morning, everybody. It's 6:45 here on a Monday morning. Today is the 27th of July. It's a warm and sticky morning out there, and that trend is going to continue all day. As we look at our live Doppler radar, we have some showers and some thunderstorms out there. None of these are severe, but there's a pretty good punch and some heavy rain out there with these storms and that cluster that's out over Lake Michigan. These are all dropping in from the north and west, and they're dropping to the south and east. So a lot of our area is going to be missed by these, but there'll be the chance of some showers and thunderstorms this morning, especially for areas along and west of US 131. So you might pick up a shower or thunderstorm. The better chance, I think, of strong to severe thunderstorms on a more widespread basis will come into play a little bit later on as we get into the afternoon and the evening hours. I'll show you the outlook here in just a second. There's the shower and thunderstorm activity. You know, we're trying to get some of this to stay together. We're just hoping that it can stay together because we have been very, very dry, and we really do need the rain. Hopefully we can just get it without the threat of severe weather. But again, that chance is on the table. It's 70 in Fremont right now, 72 there in Sparta, 75 in Grand Rapids and Granville. We have 68 in Hastings, and we're in the low to mid 70s along and south of the I-94 corridor. So today is a Fox 17 weather ready alert day, as a heightened awareness that yes, we may see some strong to severe thunderstorms. It's going to be partly sunny, humid. A few thunderstorms are likely, and some of those could be severe. Our temperatures will be about 87 degrees, but the feels like temperature with all the humidity out there is going to be probably in the low to maybe the mid 90s. Here's our future track model showing that we could have a few showers and thunderstorms yet through the early to mid morning hours here for some of us. Those will move off. I think a chunk of the day will be dry, but then we may see some more redevelopment of some stronger to severe thunderstorms as we get into the late afternoon and the evening hours. This model's not showing a lot, but there are some other shorter high resolution models that are showing that certainly will be the possibility. Regardless, I think the threat will be gone by about midnight or shortly after. And then as we get into our Tuesday morning, we start cloudy, but we'll scour out the cloud cover. We'll also scour out a lot of the humidity out there too. It'll be a cooler, drier, more comfortable day for our Tuesday. As high pressure sinks in here, even on Wednesday from the north, we're looking at a day filled with some sunshine and dry, quiet, comfortable conditions by that time. So let's put it all together. This bullseye that you see of orange, that is a threat level 3 out of 5. It's an enhanced risk of some strong to severe thunderstorms for today. So we'll be watching for that. What is the threat? The primary threat with any of these cells that form will be damaging straight line winds. Could be some 55, 60, 65 mile per hour winds. There could be some large hail. Flooding's not a real issue because we've been so dry. I think we could soak up a lot of the rain that falls. There may just be some nuisance flooding on some area streets, and there's a low threat of tornadoes with these storms. Forecast models show that we all should get in on something. Hopefully we will, because I said we've been very dry this month, only about a half an inch of rain, so we desperately do need to see some measurable precipitation, and hopefully we can see that, because if we don't see anything now, we got to wait the rest of this week into the weekend before we have another chance. 87, warm and humid today. 83 tomorrow, morning cloud cover, but some afternoon sunshine. Wednesday, mostly sunny, 83 degrees. We'll start to creep the temperature up into the mid 80s by the time we get into the end of the week, and we'll start to increase our shower and thunderstorm chances by later Friday and into Saturday.